Hello there! I'm Isabelle Steinhauser, AI Solution Engineer for Hewlett Packard Enterprise. And today I want to show you how we can use HPE's Private Cloud AI to implement an AI agent. In our case, we will look at an airline support agent. So, let's get started. Langflow is a popular framework that allows users to build agents' AI workflows in a UI-centric way. Users on Private Cloud AI can use the same import framework function to deploy Langflow on their PCI system and then use it to build their agent use cases. So let's go ahead and click on it. Within Langflow, users can construct AI workflows from simple chats to more complex racks and even agent workflows. Let's see how Langflow works. Langflow works by combining components that can be chained together by connecting one component's output with another component's input. For example, a simple chat interface with an LLM, which consists of a user chat input, linked to this very LLM, and then linked to a chat output. So, let's test our workflow out. Let's ask the LLM a simple question like, what is the best thing to do in Hamburg? That's a beautiful city in northern Germany. The LLM is going to come back with a generic response. We can see a lot of things to do in beautiful Hamburg. However, in an enterprise setting, we will get very specific questions that require very specific answers. For example, user might ask, my name is John and my flight is A105. I was downgraded to coach from first class. What is my refund? In this hypothetical customer agent use case, a user is asking about their specific flight and the airline-specific policies. This requires a more agentic approach, where the LLM decides which tools are required to answer this question in order to give a proper response. So, let's take a look at a more complex workflow where we have added a retrieval augmented generation or RAG component and a customer database. On the bottom, you can see the part of the workflow for implementing the RAG component. It takes the airline policy documents and makes it available to the LLM to query. On the top, you can see the customer database that contains customer-specific flight information. Both of these tools are connected to the LLM agent, which is able to use both of them to answer the user's question. What's powerful here is that all of these components are using models running on top of HPE's Private Cloud AI, which means the models are private, secure, and running on premises. So let's try this question again. We now see the LLM questions the question in order to understand what to do, calling the tools available to it and using the retrieved information from both the airline's policy knowledge base as well as the customer's profile on record to provide a proper answer to the user. We've seen how powerful these types of agentic workflows can be, given their flexibility, and with access to the latest frameworks in the AI ecosystem, PCI can provide and deliver these types of experiences quickly and securely.